Hello guys, in our today's video I'm going to show you how to download the Arduino app. And with the Arduino app download, you can choose any browser that you want. For me instance, I'm using Chrome. So as the Chrome opens like this, you will search Arduino. Okay, so we choose this link. So let's double click the link and see. Okay, so now this is the interface that comes. So let's see, if you are using Windows, you choose the Windows download option. If you are using Mac, to choose the Mac download option. Now this one, they are saying this one is Arduino version 2.3.3. okay, so right now I'm running Windows on MacBook, so I'll choose Windows 10 and newer. Okay, so you can donate small amount of money to the Arduino app or the Arduino company, but right now I'm just showing how to download. So just let's go to click. So you click just download. So you log in your email. Here's my email. You confirm. Okay, I would like to receive emails about. Okay, so this one too. Just download again. So now you can see here is the download is in probation, so you can see it's downloading. So let's wait small for it to finish downloading and see how the interface looks like. Okay, so now it has finished downloading, so it will appear in our let's say in our interface here. So this is the Arduino that I just downloaded. So let's click it and see how it comes. Now they've got some, I don't know whether it's they are saying license agreement and something. So you just have to click I agree, just have to click next and install. So now I'm installing the app. So now it has completed installing. Let's click the finish button. Okay, see now the app itself has opened as an interface. Okay, so we are almost there. Now this is the Arduino ID that we are talking about. So let me open a new sketch and brush you through some of the few features that we have in Arduino software. So click a new. Okay, so here's the new interface. So this one is almost the same as normal application software that we have. Almost every application has file button, it has edit, it has sketch, it has tools, help, but each of them has its, let me say, sub commands or sub commands under each of the file, edit, sketch that I was talking about. So let me click file and see. So with the file, you can see we have here new sketch. So when you click it, it will open a new interface or a new sketch for you. So something like, you see, it will open a new sketch for you. Okay, so now you see it has come. Yeah, but this is the new sketch that I'm talking about, but I will not do anything in the new sketch right now. So let me come back. File, you can see open recent. So all the codes or all the sketches that you've programmed before, you can see them here. So you can open like recent. Okay, this is the sketchbook, the same thing, the sketches, all the codes that you've written, all of them will be found here. And you have examples. So the Arduino ID or the Arduino software has given us some examples of basic programming or simple codes under examples here. So let's see, you can choose basics like this and you can say, okay, let me choose this one and see. So they will give you a sample of code to do a specific task. So this one was named I think blink. So this one they just want to blink an LED, let's say a sequential or anyhow they want to blink it. So this is the example that they've given. plenty examples under this part. We have digital. When it comes to digital too, plenty of them. We have analog examples, we have communication examples, control, sensors, display, strings, USB, starter kits, plenty of them. And we have close. So here you can close a window here. You see now I've closed that window. You can also save a particular sketch. You can also save a new name that you want. Let's say I want to rename it. So I don't want this default name. So I can say new folder. Let me do it. New folder. So the new folder, you see, I didn't just write new folder like this. I wrote new underscore folder. If you do it new folder, so instead of the underscore, you put space bar. Let's try and save it and see. They say invalid sketch folder name. So this means you can't store the name just as you'll be writing English language. So let's resave it again and see. So save as. So in this case, I'll not do it normal new sketch. I'll do it new folder. I'll do it new underscore folder. And let's save it and see. I see something is running. Yeah, now you see that the name has come in new folder. So this is the new folder that I'm talking about. Okay. So let's go to the edit tool button. We have undo. You can undo previous deleted something or any undo. Undo, redo. We have cuts. We have copy. Plenty of them. Also, when it comes to sketch, here they say verify or compile. Let me okay, verify or compile. So after writing the code and you want to check whether the code is correct or the code has no fault in it, you can come here and verify. So the verify, it will verify here, but right now I've not connected any board to it, so it will not compile here. Or this part, this is the verify, the same thing here, verify. Okay, so you can also upload using this button. So you can upload the code from the machine or from the laptop to the board. The upload button is shortcutted at this part. And we also have upload using programmer, so you can put a separate programmer to program the board. We also have sketch folder, include library. This is where we include our libraries like RF24 library, the Savo library, the SPI library, as we all know. Okay, you can also add a file here, but I know I'm just bashing you through. Okay, so let's go to tools. This one you have plenty of. You see manage libraries. This is where you can install libraries. You can import, you can include zip libraries, zip files, and other things. Serial monitor. The serial monitor too, the same thing here. This is a serial monitor. You have serial plotter. Okay. Board, this is where we have the boards, the types of the boards that we are using. So let's say if I'm using an Arduino Uno, and after writing the code, I want to upload the code from the laptop to the motherboard. I'll have to select the type of board I'm using. So let's say it's Arduino Uno. So I'll click here, go to board manager and select Arduino Uno. You see, okay. And we have ports. This is the communication port that will be transferring the codes through. You can also bend bootloader at this part. That's all. So that's all for the interface of the Arduino software. Thank you.